Now we are discussing about currencies. In that cryptocurrencies we are discussing. So cryptocurrency details. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency which is an alternative form of payment created using encryption algorithms. The use of encryption technologies means that cryptocurrencies function both as currency and as a virtual accounting system. Next point is, what are the four types of cryptocurrency? They all depend on blockchain technology, but there are many differences. Broadly speaking, we will classify them into four categories: payment cryptocurrencies, tokens, stable coins, and central bank digital currencies. Next point is, what is the cryptocurrency and how it works? Cryptocurrency, sometimes called cryptocurrency or crypto, is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regulating authority, instead using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. And next point is crypto real money? Cryptocurrencies is a type of digital currency that generally exists only electronically. You usually use your phone, computer, or a cryptocurrency ATM to buy cryptocurrency. Bitcoin and Ether are well-known cryptocurrencies, but there are many different cryptocurrencies and new ones keep being created. And next point is, what are the five types of cryptocurrencies? Largest cryptocurrencies by market capital. Bitcoin price is $16,846 at present. Market capital is $324 billion. It is very wonder. And Ethereum, it is also one type of cryptocurrency, and crypto coins, and this price is $1,242. Market capital is $152 billion. And likewise, Tether is there, that is USDT, price is $1. And BNB is there, that is price $286. And USD coin, price is $1. And Binance USD, price $1. And XRP, price is $0.388. And Dogecoin, price is 0.09633. These are the top of types of cryptocurrencies. So many are there. In this we have listed only some few cryptocurrencies. And the next point is, who owns Bitcoin? Who owns Bitcoin? No one person owns or controls Bitcoin, and anyone can participate. While Satoshi continued to control Bitcoin's development, users and developers congregated in Bitcoin forums to contribute code and work on the project, which had become a collaborative effort. And the next point is, who uses crypto? 60% of people who used cryptocurrency for transactions had annual incomes lower than $50,000. Furthermore, people who used cryptocurrency for transactions were more likely to be unbanked than those who did not use cryptocurrency at all. And the next point is, who is number one crypto? Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed as it is become a household name. In May 2016, you could buy one Bitcoin for about $500 as of 20th December 2022 year. A single Bitcoin's price was around $17,000. That is a growth rate of 3,259,000%. Growth rate is 3,259%. So it is wonder. And which crypto? Next point is, which crypto is best? Top 6 cryptocurrencies to buy now: Dash to trade, IMPT, that is cryptocurrencies to buy. Which crypto is best? Top 6 cryptocurrencies to buy now is Dash to trade, IMPT, Calvaria and Tamadago, Polkadot and Chainlink. And next point is what banks are crypto? Ali Bank is an online bank integrated with crypto exchanges, exchange Coinbase to offer customers access to cryptocurrencies available through this exchange. Ali customers can purchase cryptos directly through their credit card or debit card. This is the information regarding cryptocurrencies. So many cryptocurrencies are there. Even though the blockchain technology is very best quality and hardcore security is there, so nobody can hack that blockchain technology. So that is the information because it is encrypted and decrypted. So this system is always secure and prosperous. This is the information regarding cryptocurrencies. Wishing you all the best.